How to save ping output report in Notepad automatically. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically save your continuous ping status to a text file using the command prompt on your Windows PC or laptop. This is a great way to monitor your network and troubleshoot any issues you might be facing. Now, let's dive right into the steps to save the ping output automatically. First, press the Windows key and type CMD and hit enter to open the command prompt. Next, type the following command which you can see on your screen. Make sure to replace IP address or domain with the address you want to ping and specify the path where you want to save the file. Then hit enter and your ping process will start running continuously, saving the output to the specified text file. And once you've done that, you need to go to the drive where you have saved it, and you can see the ping test is there. You need to simply open it in order to view your ping output report, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.